Do you have 10 minutes of your time to do something healthy for your core and your spine? Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. I'll be demonstrating 10 minutes of Pilates flow you can do to help engage your core muscles, improve your posture, and hip mobility. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, we'll start sitting up first with your knees bent and keeping your spine lengthened as you inhale. Exhale, blow, slowly go down one vertebrae at a time. As you go back, as you exhale, engage your core. Feel your belly button in. As you go overhead and extend slowly. This is good to do in the morning as you wake up with your knees bent. Double tabletop, inhale. And exhale, lift your arms reaching towards your knees. Engage your core with your belly button in. As you exhale, go down. This is a great way to engage your core muscles. Inhale. Exhale, overhead. Inhale, lift. You squeeze your stomach in. As you exhale, overhead to the side, reaching up. And then as you lift up to the ceiling, you pull your belly button in, feel your core engage. 2 more to go. Exhale, feel your core engage with this lovely 10-minute Pilates to keep yourself lovely core. And last one. And now hands overhead. Lower your right foot down, tap, inhale, exhale up, alternating left and right. Inhale as you go up, exhale as you go down. And now we can slowly add variations as you go down with your right foot. Your right hand goes over to the ceiling. As you exhale, place it back up, alternating left and right. Squeeze your stomach in to engage your core muscles. Two more to go. Last one to the left. And now we're going to slowly hip opening. Right leg first. We go start the right, keeping your spine in neutral spine as you lower your right knee down. As you inhale, exhale back to the center. And then the other leg, inhale, exhale. Keep opening, then slowly add variations with your hands pointing to the ceiling. As you inhale, slowly lower your hand and your knee down to the right. Exhale up. Slow and easy. You don't want to twist your spine as you engage your core. As you keep everything steady. Inhale. Exhale. Feels so good on your hips and shoulders. Belly button in, engage your core, keeping your back in neutral. Slow lower to the side, left. Exhale up, right. Two more to go. Inhale, exhale up. Last one to the left. And now from this position, we're going to gently tap both feet down as you slowly go overhead with your hands. Belly button in, engage your core, tap. As you exhale, as you slowly go up to the center. Inhale, slowly go tap. Squeeze your core in. Overhead with your hands, tap your inhale. Squeeze your stomach in. 2 more to go. Last one, inhale and exhale. And now from this position, you're going to slowly extend your right knee, then back to the center. As you inhale, extend. Exhale back to the center. Slowly, right and left. With your breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. Now we can add variations as you extend your right knee, your right hand overhead, and then exhale back to the center, hand pointing to the ceiling. Now your left side, slowly extend your knee overhead with your hand, exhale back. Alternating right. You might get tired on you as you lengthen and strengthen. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in and blow. 2 more to go. Left side. Last set. Going left as you extend. Engage your core. Last one to your left and back. And now we're going to slowly progress with both legs extend. Inhale. Exhale. To bend to double tabletop. To Pilates stance. Inhale. Exhale. Belly button in, extend. As you exhale back. Now we can add variations as you inhale. Slowly go overhead. With your hands, feel your stomach shaking. As you exhale, slowly roll your arms to double knee bends. Place your hands on top of your knees to rest. As you inhale, lift your hands overhead. Exhale, go back to the center. As you slowly hug your knees, inhale. Squeeze your stomach in. As you go Pilates stance 45 degrees to engage your core more. If you feel like your core shaking, and you can challenge by lifting your hands and shoulders as you exhale and hug and lift. Chin tuck to protect your neck muscles. 2 more to go. Last one. And exhale, and then we're going to single knee leg stretch. Hug one knee with the other hand and one hand on the side on the ankle. As you switch in left and right, do it 10 times. With your breath, chin tuck, engage your core muscles, lift your butt. If this is too difficult, put your head down. 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now with your knees bent, slowly place your hands on the ceiling as you gentle do a butterfly, opening your knees and hands and go back to the center, engage your core. Now you go in, squeeze your core in with your thighs. Point to the ceiling and out. 2 more, inhale. Last one and blow. Now slowly put your legs down, hands overhead. We're going to do bridging. Slowly lift your bottom off the mat. As you lift, hold it there. And then slowly lift your hands to the ceiling to challenge your core. As you go down, 1 vertebrae at a time, slowly reach your hands overhead. 2 more to go. Inhale. Squeeze your glutes. As you go down, exhale. Last one, inhale. And then hold it there to slowly do a gentle butterfly while your buttocks is off the mat to bridge. 5, 4, Open as you inhale. 2 and 1. Then go back to the center, slowly go down, hands overhead and blow. Now slowly lift your legs up to the ceiling. Toes pointing up, knees straight, hands pointing to the ceiling as well. As you do a V stretch, open your feet apart and your hands. Exhale back. Belly button in and blow. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze your core in as you open to protect your spine. 2 more. And last one. And now we're gonna cool down now, knees to chest. Rock side to side as you're getting pressure off your back. Single. Lower the other leg down, go further, stretch the other leg with a beautiful stretch of your low back. As I said, this is a great way to start your day and to have a great middle of the day release. Last set. Inhale with a beautiful stretch. Exhale the other. Now figure 4. Place your ankle opposite the thigh. Push it out. In your piriformis muscle as you slowly hug your knees to your chest, side to side. Now switch it up to the other side. To the ankle, knees to thighs. Hug your knees to your chest. Stretch your buttocks. Gets tight if you sit all day. And now, that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this lovely video. With 10-minute Pilates, you can do every single day. Or whenever you feel like you're going to engage your core and you don't have a lot of time. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss anything about Pilates, your physical therapy. Like this video so it can be shared in the YouTube world. I would love to you guys to join me as I reopen my back masterclass. If this exercise is too difficult and you want to join me, for any beginners out there to slowly progress and be confident in doing Pilates and physical therapy safely and effectively, click the link down below. Join me on my early bird waitlist for a first come first serve basis of my 50 students small intimate class that has more than 10 hours of videos, and I will hold your hand to guide you safely and effectively to all of my programs with my weekly Zoom meeting calls. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns regarding this video, leave a message on my social media or directly here on YouTube, and I will want to learn more about the back masterclass. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye.